Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to activate Roku without credit card. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install this app. Sign up. My wallet. You will be given a virtual card. View card info. Copy card info. Open Roku website. Enter your email. Enter first name. Enter last name. Enter password. Continue. Add a card from the oldubil app. Complete the account creation. That's it. Now you know how to activate Roku without credit card. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.